To spatchcock a turkey, you need a pair of sharp kitchen shears, a big knife, and possibly a small paring knife, and of course your turkey. Flip the turkey breast side down, turn the neck side towards you. Using a pair of kitchen shears, cut down the back of the turkey starting at the neck. Follow the spine down to the tail, cutting through each bone. You may run into a big bone toward the middle of the turkey. If the scissors aren't doing the trick, switch over to a knife. Once you've cut one side, just do the same to the other. Remove the entire backbone and flip the turkey over, breast side up. Place both hands on the center of the turkey breast, press down firmly to break the breast bone. Need more leverage? Stand on a kitchen stool. Once broken, tuck the wings back below the bird, and huzzah, you've got a spatchcock turkey. Now don't throw away the backbone, cut it in half, place it in a pan, and it's a great base for stock, with root vegetables and any herbs you like. Bring the stock water up to a boil, reduce the heat, and gently simmer it for an hour to an hour and a half. Cool to room temperature, strain your liquids, and you have a delicious homemade stock. Happy Thanksgiving!